regular pussy. You're a regular pussy.
Turn left. In 3 miles, turn right onto Bayview Drive.
Inom was the eye. Ja, das ist over weg.
Just fucking 2 at the top. So you're gonna have to cut that down a bit more.
My time has come to burn! I invoke the ancient power that I may return! Give this universe no... What? No! What's happening to me?
He's maybe demon influenced.
Enter my mouth, children. Enter your destiny. Slumber. Enter my mouth, children. Enter your destiny. Nicht zersteuert nicht. Der Rüstform Lammers nicht.
It's getting closer!
Things to do!
Proud to be an American. Satan?
Pope Francis talked about the devil.
It's a group that believes an apocalyptic event is imminent, and the only way to survive is to put your name in Satan's Book of Life. Mark believes that he is Satan himself, and the followers of this movement believe the same, despite the fact that in reality,
I am benevolent in the flesh. You're a regular pussy. You sell a human slave. You stuff get. You have no intelligence. You have no intelligence.
The early computer guys were creating a first network somewhere around 1974-75. They decided to call it Ethernet after the concept of ether that was in early alchemy.
We must create a super right which remains unknown. Only some may know these things and others not.
It's very simple. There's no way to fuck this up.
I am fucking Satan himself in the flesh. Get over it.
I don't take money, worship, advice, sex.